ServSafe Manager practice test questions. Question 1. What is the critical limit for cooking temperature for ground beef? 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius. 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. Ground meats require 155 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 seconds. Question 2. The risk of illness from ventilation purpose is reduced by: removes grease/smoke, dries dishes, cools food, heats food. Ventilation systems remove odors and grease. Question 3. A health inspector will look for PCO stands for to be: pest control officer, pest control owner, professional cleaning operator, pest control operator. A PCO is a licensed professional for pest management. Question 4. When training staff on light intensity in walk-ins, emphasize that 10-foot candles, 20 FC, 50 FC, 100 FC. Storage areas only need 10-foot candles. Question 5. What is the requirement for Clostridium perfringens? Bacteria in stews/gravies, chemical, virus, parasite. This bacteria grows in large quantities of food. Question 6. Which of these is prohibited regarding safe temperature for ground pork? 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. 135 degrees Fahrenheit. 155 degrees Fahrenheit. 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground pork requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 7. When training staff on cooking temperature for poultry, emphasize that 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. Poultry must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill salmonella. Question 8. Documentation for maximum time for hot holding without temp control must include 2 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, 4 hours. Hot food can be held 4 hours if started at 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 9. A health inspector will look for HACCP Principle 2 to be: analyze hazards, monitor, verify, determine critical control points. Step 2 is determining CCPs. Question 10. The correct way to measure light intensity in buffet areas is 10 FC, 20-foot candles, 100 FC, 50 FC. Self-service and display areas need 20-foot candles. Question 11. Which detail is essential for Salmonella typhi source? Humans only, pigs, cows, poultry. Salmonella typhi lives only in humans. Question 12. What is the main goal of common allergens? Soy, turkey, soy, potatoes, carrots. Soy is one of the big allergens. Question 13. In the context of food safety, scombroid poisoning involves histamine, botulism, E. coli, ciguatixin. Scombroid poisoning is caused by histamine in certain fish. Question 14. Regarding HACCP Principle 4, which of the following is correct? Monitoring procedures, limit, correct, analyze. Step 4 is monitoring the CCPs. Question 15. When monitoring ready-to-eat food storage, one must look for top shelf, with raw meat, under poultry, bottom shelf. Root food should be stored at the top of the fridge. Question 16. A health inspector will look for chlorine sanitizer concentration to be 200 ppm, 500 ppm, 50 to 99 ppm, 10 ppm. Standard chlorine concentration is 50 to 99 ppm. Question 17. Regarding temperature for cold holding, which of the following is correct? 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit 10 degrees Celsius, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius or lower. Cold food must stay at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Question 18. Documentation for reheating TCS food temperature must include 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius. TCS food for hot holding must be reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 19. What is the critical limit for temperature to receive milk? 41 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Fahrenheit 7 degrees Celsius or lower, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Milk can be received at 45 degrees Fahrenheit, but must be cooled to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours. Question 20. How should a food handler manage Shigella source? Pork, raw beef, shellfish, contaminated water/flies. Shigella is spread via feces and flies.